Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society Group of Institutions. This is Kameshwari, Department of Civil Engineering. My subject Geotechnical Engineering, R18 BTech Civil Engineering, third year, second semester. Now, in previous class already we can discuss permeability of soil. What is permeability of soil? Ability with which water can flow through the soil particle is called as a permeability. And it also discussed ability with which water can flow through the soil is called as a permeability. And it is the property of soil which allows this flow of water through it. Loose soil can permit the water very fastly, and dense soil permit less water. And importance of permeability already discussed. Now Darcy's law. Darcy's law, discharge Q is equal to KIA. So in a saturated soil under laminar flow condition, the rate of flow of water through given sample of soil is directly proportional to hydraulic gradient. V is equal to Ki. So Q by A. V is equal to Q by A. So Q is equal to KIA, where V is equal to superficial velocity. V is equal to superficial velocity. And K is equal to coefficient of permeability. That will find out in our laboratory. And I is equal to hydraulic gradient. And superficial velocity, it is defined as the discharge per unit cross-sectional area of soil. V is equal to Q by A. Superficial velocity, Q is equal to discharge, and A is equal to area of the soil. And this seepage velocity is defined as the discharge per unit cross section area of voids, direction of the flow of soil, So seepage velocity Vs is equal to Q by As. So Vs is equal to seepage velocity. Already we can know the discharge Q is equal to discharge per unit time. The relation between superficial velocity and seepage velocity, Vs is equal to V by N. This is important formula for determining the problems. Next, factors affecting permeability. What are the different factors affecting the permeability? That are different types. That is particle size, properties of pore water, degree of saturation, and entrapped air, structural arrangement, and stratification of soil. How particle size are affected and factors affecting permeability. The particle size is the permeability varies approximately as square of diameter of the soil. The particle size, it is depends size and shape. It is expressed in terms of specific gravity, surface area, and permeability relates to specific surface area. That particle size means it consists of a different type of particles, that is rounded particles, and rounded particles gives more permeability. Rounded, only same size of particles. Rounded particles gives more permeability. The angular shaped particles have same void ratio. As specific gravity area is more for angular shaped particles, they are less permeability. When compared to rounded particles. Angular particles void ratio will be less. So surface area proportional to 1 by permeability. Rounded particles gives more permeability. The angular space, the specific surface area more for angular shaped particles. They are less permeability. It occupies more space, but it consists of a less permeability. So here high permeability, low permeability. So the gaps between soil particles will be less here coarse grain particles and shape will be rounded. So rounded particles, it consists of a particle to particles more space. So here more voids, here less voids. Clay consists of a less permeability, and here gravel and sand. Sand consists of a loose, very high permeability nature in sand and gravel. And property of pore water. Property of pore water. So permeability of the soil varies directly with density and inversely proportional to the viscosity of the water. So Km K mu is equal to constant. This is the one of the factor affecting the permeability. And also void ratio. Increase void ratio, permeability versus void ratio. Void ratio, increase in void ratio, increasing the area availability for flow, hence permeability also increase. Void ratio will be more, permeability also more. It gives the less strength. Permeability will be, void ratio will be reduced, permeability will be reduced, and it will give the more strength to the concrete. So permeability inversely proportional to the E cube by 1 plus E. E is the void ratio and K is equal to permeability. And effective size D10 is equal to K is equal to 100 D square by D square suffix 10. And degree of saturation. Degree of saturation. Higher the degree of saturation, higher will be the permeability. Saturation means fully saturation condition. Example, oceans. Higher degree of saturation, higher will be the permeability. And presence of entrapped air and other Furan matter. So entrapped air and Furan matter will block the voids in soil, results in decreasing in permeability. The gaps between the soil particles also filled by organic matter or air or water. So due to that, Furan matter block the void spaces in soil, resulting decreasing in permeability. So decreasing in the permeability. So degree of saturation is directly proportional to the permeability is directly proportional to the degree of saturation. K is directly proportional to degree of saturation. So in partially saturated soil, entrapped air causes blockage in the flow of water. Blockage in the flow of water. So here partially entrapped air causes blocking in the flow of water. Hence permeability of partially saturated soil is less than that of fully saturated soil. So partially saturated soil is less than the fully saturated soil. And entrapped air and gases means entrapped air and gases in the voids obstruct flow of water and causes the reduction in permeability. So some of air or voids, air or gases obstruct the voids. So it will reduce the flow of water and decrease the permeability. As far as possible, sample should be fully saturated before permeability test. And structural arrangement, flocculated structure and dispersed structure. Permeability of soil will be more in flocculated structure. Here gaps will be more. The particle to particle gaps will be more. So permeability will be more. It will give the less strength. And when water pour on the soil, so they permeate very fastly. And here dispersed soil, the space between the particle to particle is very less compared to dispersed flocculated structure, less wide ratio. So when water flows through this coil, when compared to flocculated, very slowly. And stratification of soil. Have stratification of soil deposit have greater permeability parallel to the plane when compared to the perpendicular to the plane. So parallel to the plane and perpendicular to the plane. Plane is parallel to the plane and perpendicular to the plane, that is parallel, and this is perpendicular. This stratification of soil area we can discuss in next classes. So these are the different types of factors affecting the permeability. What are the different types of permeability of soils? Degree of saturation, shape, and void ratio, and pore water. So saturation condition and entrapped air, these are affect the permeability of the soil. Thank you. Remaining topic will be discussed in next class.